Hi guys, we have a few items to unbox today from Ulta. It's not a lot, it's a few things, so it should be relatively quick from my most recent shipment. The website is ulta.com, or you could download the app, or you could shop on the app or on the website and go pick things up on curbside pickup or in store as well. So these three items, I didn't have them shipped. I picked them up in person. I was excited to pick those up. Since it's quicker, you don't have to wait for the shipping. So we got a Juicy Beauty Green Apple Brightening Gel, 4.5 ounces. It has a lot of really good ingredients on there. So aloe, bilberry fruit, orange fruit, sugar, maple, lemon juice, vitamin A, E, sage leaf extract, so organic apple juice, Camellia sinensis, dandelion leaf even, so sugar cane. Yeah, some good ingredients in that one. So that's what that looks like. And this one is a toner, so it's rose water, vegan, with hyaluronic acid and damask roses. And then the third thing I got was CoverGirl weightless water cream. It smells really nice. It has cactus water. It smells exactly like cactuses. It's very fresh. I loved it. It's great for especially the hot summer weather. So let's open that. I already opened it and tried it, so it was really amazing. Let me just get it opened. So that's what that looks like. It's like a light blue color. Yeah, very, very hydrating. So let's see what else we've got in our big box here. We've got a lot of poofy paper. Well, we got a lot of towelettes from Neutrogena makeup. These are really good. They smell nice. And we also got a cute bag from Neutrogena. We got Ultra Sheer Body Mist. So we're gonna have to open that bag up. A body mist with a 45 sunscreen from Neutrogena as well, 5 ounces. And then we got this one. Okay, this one says Sun Rescue, so these are really good for the summer. And this one has hyaluronic acid for very moisturizing, it says. Let's see what the ingredients look like. And we also have got a Lottie brand, LOTTI, Sweet Lips Mask and Balm, Lottie Linden Overnight Lip Mask. And this one's in Cherry Kiss. So we have to open that. So let's open this bag up real quick. the bag is like a summer bag, very like summery and beachy. It is mesh. I mean, you can use it for whatever, but it's really big. Pink coral color. Cute. And then this is the bomb. That's what the bomb looks like. Has like a frosted glass jar. Ooh, it sounds very cherry-ish. And then we got one last envelope to open. Okay, let's open that. Okay, this is okay. So we just have a cocoa bomb and banana cream from Sun Bomb. Also, so these towelettes are night calming. See if there's, what does it say on here? So these ones I've used before, they smell really nice. Gentle, Neutrogena.com. So it's a double pack, night calming, etc. Yeah, so that was their haul. It should last a really long time. Thank you guys for joining me on this summer unboxing. So we have a lot of sunscreen sprays and things like that. Toner for cleaning face. For this you need cotton pads or cotton squares. So I'll see you guys next time. Suki-Toons, aka Facebook Girls, I'll play. Bye.